Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to order in Meesho application. To place an order in Meesho, open up the Meesho app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the home page, use the search bar at the top, write down the name of the product you are trying to order. You can also go ahead and browse through the categories from the popular searches tab. After searching for the order, go ahead and tap on the order and then click on Buy Now at the bottom right corner. Now you will end up in this Review Your Order page. If this is your first order, you'll also need to add an address as delivery address. Make sure you enter all of your details such as contact details and address. Finally, after entering your address and contact information, click on Save Address and Continue at the bottom. After entering your address information, tap on Continue at the bottom right corner and select a payment method. Choose whether you'd like to pay cash on delivery or pay online. After choosing a payment method, click on Place Order. And right there, your order has been confirmed. So that's how you place an order in Meesho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.